Does your service business have maintenance agreements in place or some sort of recurring model that happens residually? If not, it's time to start thinking about integrating it to your business right now. Let me tell you why. So, the first reason is it increases the value of your company. Because if you ever want to sell your business, somebody on the other end is going to say, what kind of promised money are you bringing to the table? And that comes in the fashion of maintenance agreements or recurring contracts. The second thing is it actually creates a better workflow for your company, increases capacity at a high level. You can have dedicated units serving a lot of those maintenance agreements. The third reason is because ultimately it creates more value for your business. If you're just a one-stop shop for just one-off and bangers and you're out, you're working much harder than you need to be. I want everybody to start thinking in the service industry like pest control companies, like HVAC companies. If you can start to embed maintenance agreements into your business, you're actually serving your customer at a higher level. I've come to understand, didn't matter what service business I was in, when the customer knew we were their one company for life or the trusted company they can depend on, they stopped looking around. They started doing business with us for good. We became family, and we started just adding more products and more service offerings as our relationship grew. So today, think like an HVAC owner, a pest control company, and start integrating maintenance contracts.